The health of your teeth and gums has a strong correlation with what you put in your body. You can have great oral hygiene, but if you don't consume the right foods, your oral health can still suffer. In this video, I'll go over a delicious smoothie recipe that can help improve your oral health. Hi, my name is Daz of Fruits and Veggies. I'm an accounting professional that has experimented with smoothies for over 10 years in both taste and nutrition, and I'm here to level up your health with delicious, nutrient-dense smoothie recipes. Let's get right into it. Now, obviously, this smoothie recipe isn't a replacement for great oral hygiene. Please keep brushing your teeth, keep flossing. This is more of an enhancement. For example, great oral hygiene helps remove plaque and food particles, preventing cavities, while great nutrition strengthens your tooth enamel, making it more resistant to tooth decay. So whenever you visit your dentist and they're examining your mouth, there's a story there, and they might ask questions to confirm what they're seeing. Your mouth is more than just a tool for communication, it's a window into your overall health, reflecting what's happening inside your body. The ingredients in today's smoothie recipe are packed with nutrients that can help support your oral health. Let's start with strawberries for flavor. Add 1 cup of strawberries. Add 1 banana. Apples are often referred to as nature's toothbrush for its exterior and interior cleansing properties. While the maximum benefits come from eating them, adding them can help neutralize acids and promote a healthy oral environment. Add half of an apple. Oranges are a great source of vitamin C, which supports collagen production for healthy gums. However, excessive citrus can erode enamel. Add 1 fresh squeezed orange. Kefir contains probiotics that can help crowd out harmful bacteria, contributing to better oral health. It also cuts some of the tartness from the last 2 ingredients. Add 1 ounce of kefir. Adding a little bit of kale can help maintain tooth enamel with its combination of calcium and vitamin K. You can start with a tablespoon of kale. Carrots are a great source of vitamin A, which can help maintain healthy gums. Add a little bit of carrots. You can finish it off with a few pumpkin seeds. The zinc and magnesium in pumpkin seeds can help fight gum disease and strengthen tooth enamel. Add a teaspoon of pumpkin seeds. And that's it. Hopefully this leads to better checkups at the dentist. This is probably the first smoothie that I would recommend making with a mid to upper tier blender, like at least 14 watts. You can find that information in the spec section whenever you're shopping around for blenders. I've linked a few of my favorite blenders with this wattage and more in the description below. Just because some of the ingredients in this smoothie, like apples, carrots, even pumpkin seeds, have more of a crunchy texture that, if not blended properly, could make for an unpleasant experience with a lower tier blender, also known as a chunky smoothie. If you do have a blender that often makes chunky smoothies, I would consider upgrading your blender if this is a common occurrence. That's like my #1 recommendation whenever people want a higher quality smoothie. Or maybe if that's not in the budget right now, you can make substitutions, like you could switch apples with apple juice, you could switch carrots with carrot juice, you could switch pumpkin seeds with pumpkin juice. I don't know, maybe that's a thing. Pumpkin seed butter, there you go. I'm sure it's out there. That is a lot of different juices to add just for one smoothie. Now what you could do, and what I like to do, is combine a bunch of different juices and use it as a smoothie juice base. That way you can avoid adding too much liquid to one smoothie and still get all the benefits. I actually made a tutorial for a smoothie juice base that can give you some ideas on what you can put together.